Welcome to Imperial Club Room and Atlantis the Palm. Starting here with a mini bar and some complimentary water. We have water here, coffee machines. Unfortunately, this is not complimentary, but it looks amazing. We have also mini bar here. Coffee mugs, coffee pots, milk, tea. Some wine glasses, bottle opener, perfect, amazing. Let's check the prices. Coke 40 dirhams, beer 60. This is a bathroom. We have a bath with the view. Here is shower. Pretty nice. And toilet here. Lots of amenities. Full stand mirror. A wardrobe. It's really big wardrobe. Oh, check this. It's so fluffy. Definitely one of the best sleepers which I ever saw in a hotel. Massive king size bed. Actually, you can see it's plenty space here. This is actually sofa bed. If you have a child with you, you can use it. It actually can accommodate, this room can accommodate 2 adults and 1 child. TV and some working space here. Amazing. Check the view. And we have actually resort and city view, which is better than ocean view, because you can still see the sea, but from opposite side you just see a water, nothing else. And I actually preferred this one. I stayed in one room 3 years ago, which we actually saw only ocean. It was nice, but this is much better. You can see whole city. There is actually New Atlantis, the Royal. A pool. Really, you can see everything from here. Absolutely amazing. And monorail is coming. If you book a room with Imperial Club, you have access to dedicated beach area, which is over here. if you have Imperial Club room, they do happy hours from 5 till 7. It's complimentary. Drinks or canapes. Here at the beach, you can have just drinks. This is menu, and if you want to have some food, you need to go to Imperial Club Lounge. A little bit about Imperial Club room is absolutely same. You don't have any extras or something in your room. However, you are getting extra services, like for example happy hour, afternoon tea. They have dedicated area for check-in, check-out, so it's kind of few benefits with Imperial Club. First drink of happy hours, I got mojito, we got Corona, we have some snacks, olives and nuts. We will stay here maybe for a while and then we will go to check canapes inside. Good evening. It's two of us. Thank you. Inside, yeah. We moved inside. We are going to have some canapes. I will make a video so you can see what you can get in Imperial Club Lounge. The menu is different here. They have different cocktails. More beers. Nice. Let's check food.
Ja, jullie hebben het.